How can I take notes on my documents in ReadSpeaker TextAid? Start by clicking on the highlighter tool on the left menu of Tools. You have a pointer, 4 colors and a menu. Remember to highlight complete sentences if the material is not a vocabulary word. This will help your notes make sense at some point in the future. You can select a color and highlight some material. You can also click on the pointer and then highlight some material. You will have a pop-up menu where you can select your color. If you are colorblind, you can click on the hamburger and select Show Highlight Borders. Each color has a different border. If you want to change a highlighted passage to another color, click anywhere on the highlight and select a new color, or delete the highlight. At this point, we have highlighted our document, and we need to collect our notes. Click on the menu, and select Collect and Download Highlights. In the Collect Highlights from area, we suggest you collect the entire document, so that you will have all your notes together. In the Sort Highlights area, you have 2 choices, colors, and position in the text. If you are placing items in a list into categories, you should use the by color choice. If you are taking notes, then you should use the by position in the text choice. If you are only collecting one color, then the Show Color Indicators and Show Borders can both be no. If you are collecting 2 or more colors, then at least one of the Show Color Indicators and Show Borders selections need to be yes. Click on Collect and Download. You now have an editable document where you can add your thoughts around your notes. Going back to the document. If you are doing a presentation, you can hide your highlights until you are ready to show them. This is done by clicking on the arrow point to the right of the highlighter tool in the left menu, and clicking on Hide Highlights. When you are ready to show your highlights, then go back to the arrow point to the right of the highlighter tool in the left menu, and click on Show Highlights. Now you know how to use your highlighter tools.